Miss Marg Osborne.
And Mr. Don Tremaine.
Who? Oh, Faded Love.
And Winter Roses.
Faded love and winter roses always bloom in memory. Faded love and winter roses, yearning hearts that used to be. Will they meet again tomorrow? Where we parted yesterday. Give me back the winter roses and the love you took away. Will I always be a dreamer, dreaming all we used to be? Faded love and winter roses